All right, I picked up my baby chicks from the post office and now I've got them home. So I'm gonna show you as I unpackage them and what to do once you get them in the brooder. Alrighty, so I set the box inside the brooder. These little babies are ready to get out for sure. They are chirping away. Oh, look at them. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do, let me get this lid off. Once you get each chick out, you just want to dip it in the water and let it get some water right off the bat. Whoops. Alright, so I'm just going to take all the chicks out of the box, let them get some water, and then I'll go on to what to do next. Alrighty, so I got them all out of the box, and you can see right now they're all pretty huddled up together under the light. And so I'm going to go pick up one more heat lamp for them, and I'm going to place it about right here on the edge, so then they'll have two lights in there. You want to kind of see them spread out a little bit. Right now I think they're pretty chilly, so I'm going to get another light. And then one of the other things I'm going to do is my order came with Quick Chick, which is vitamins and electrolytes for poultry, and you just mix that in with their water. So I'm going to get that and some water for them. And then I also have Grow Gel Plus, which you mix with water and then you spread it on their feed. It's just to help them get off to a good start. And that's one of the reasons why I love ordering from Murray McMurray Hatchery, because you can get those two things, and then they also vaccinate all of your chicks. And I got some white leghorns, silver laced Wyandottes, Rhode Island Reds, Polish, and whiting True Greens. Oh, and also some buff laced Polish. So those are all the chicks that I have in here. And you can see that they all showed up perfectly healthy. I didn't have any dead chicks. But if you do, you just call Murray McMurray Hatchery and they reimburse you for the chick. And so anyways, I'm going to head to the feed store and get another heat lamp. I should have probably done that before, but I thought this one lamp was going to be enough, but it's a little bit colder this week than I thought it'd be. So that's pretty much all you have to do when you get your chicks. Just put them in the brooder that's already prepared. Having it ready before you get them home is always important. And then just have their food and water ready, and then keep an eye on them. And one of the things to look out for is pasty butt, which is where you'll see the little like baby chick poop get stuck on their bottoms. And so that's one of the things to look out for. And if you notice that, you just gently rinse it off with some water. I'm sure that's going to happen in the next few days. And if it does, I'll shoot a quick video to show you guys how to clean that off and help them. But for now, they seem to be perfectly healthy. So if you're planning on getting chicks this year, get your brooder ready and then transition them into the brooder. And if you have any questions, I would love to help you answer them. So just put it in the comments below.